Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new functionality of WhatsApp sharing on Transact. So earlier you used to see that once you created a document and then after once you click on share via WhatsApp, it was opening a WhatsApp web and then after you needed to share. So what new functionality we have provided? Let me show you. First of all, let us go to all modules and then click on sales and purchase. Now once I will open the sales and purchase, suppose this is one of the SO which I have created. I will quickly open this. Now, after opening this document, I want to share it via WhatsApp. How I can do that? Click on this share icon. Now, this is the email option. You need to go to other sharing methods. Click on other sharing methods. Here is your WhatsApp account. If you want, you can share it via your WhatsApp account. This is the new functionality. We have provided direct WhatsApp sharing, but it will be sent via Transact's official WhatsApp account. So you can just click here. After that, you need to select the recipient. This will be picked from the buyer and supplier user, which you have already saved. If you want to add any another recipient, simply just go ahead and type it here and hit enter. Now scroll below and from here you can simply just click on share. Once you will click on share, system will automatically send a WhatsApp to the receiver so that you don't need to go ahead and open the web WhatsApp and share it. I hope this particular functionality will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.